fellas and girls.
So today we're going to be doing a grandma Thanksgiving makeup tutorial. You guys are all wondering what my grandma's going to be wearing on Thanksgiving feast day.
Okay, Kevin, get out of here. Okay, I gotta go like this. Whoa, that's too much. How you gonna get it wider? I want it wider. I can't do that. Oh, that's it like that? Oh my God, that's too much. Huh. That's too much. Now they're on fleek. But this one should be a little more. No, that's too... Yeah, leave it alone. All right, leave it alone, no? I think we should leave it alone. That is the first step. How do you close this? This can't be it. Now, I want something on my... What do you call this? Eyelid? Maybe I use 2 colors, or do I use 1? I had never had one of these in all my life. Kevin wants me to look young. I think he wants me to look young. We're going to use orange and brown for this. Well, let's see what's going to happen. I have no idea. I don't use this. Oh, yeah. That's beautiful. Going to make me look 55. Orange. Okay, very good. Put that underneath my eye. Maybe I'm going to hide the wrinkles. Okay, I'm going to make it Smokey. Smokey the Bear. Is that it? Oh, this goes underneath. That ain't no good. Oh, dear Lord, oh, Lord. I use brown because brown is Thanksgiving color. The eyeshadow is done. This is nice packaging. Boy, that's beautiful. Thank you, Kevin. I'm going to make my face look tanner, so I'll use the bronze. And you just use your fingers. That's beautiful. Oh, dear God. Oh, my Lord. That's it, huh? Fool around with the top, too, a little bit. That looks great. Maybe it's going to cover this line. Let's see. Yes. We don't even see the lines anymore. Now we got the lipstick. I never wear dark lipstick. This is real dark. This is real dark. These girls who wear them, they're like 20 years old, 25, but a lady 80 is going to wear it. Anybody over 80 is going to wear it, and they're going to make themselves look younger. I'm using brown today because it's Thanksgiving. Give me more lips. Oh, no, this is no good. Now let's see if we could rub some of it off. Yeah, too much, too much, too much. Who wants to look like this? It looks like I got punched in the face. I'm going to fix it with more color. At least I don't see the lines. Let's see if I put a little bit on top of here. There's the turkey pin. I bought this years ago. Thank God I found it. And what I'm thankful for Kevin and all my grandchildren and family. It's beautiful to have a family. And I always go to church and pray to God. And He does good. He does good for me. And I'm very thankful for everybody that watches Grandma Lil and Kevin. Don't say nothing rude about my eyebrows. Maybe I made it too dark. I used to have beautiful when I was 20, 30, 40 years old. And all of a sudden, it's different now. Wait, when you get as old as I am, you'll find out. My favorite Thanksgiving food is the stuffing and the carrots with honey and butter on it, just a little one, and bake it in the oven. My mother told me about that years ago, and that's one of the best. Okay, thank you. God bless you. Kevin, I'm done. Everything is done.
You look like a new woman.
Oh.
You look so good.
Oh, yes, so good.
I love it. Look over here.
I love it, too.
Oh, my, your eyebrows look really good. Thank you guys for watching. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And remember to subscribe if you're not already.
Subscribe, and then you'll be feeling younger, too. No, I don't want big lips. But hey,